Good morning, everybody. Today, we have got a recruitment from AIMS Bhubaneswar. The title of the project is Strengthening the PHC's Infrastructure in a Tribal District of Odisha. मतलब को ना को ट्राइबल डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे आपन जाय काम करे पड़िबो एटा डुमडुमा एम्स रे भुवनेश्वर डुमडुमा लोकेशन रो आसीची एंड तार आज बाहाची फोर्ट name posts, that is research assistant, field worker, lab technician and data entry operator. Research assistant by number of posts batch data, field worker by data, lab technician 1 and data entry operator 2. So for the research assistant, the essential qualification we can see over here: graduate in science with preferred biology, and even if you are from social sciences from recognized university with 3 years work experience from recognized institution, and master's degree is also considered with biology only as a subject, and the experience must be at least in the field of cancer research or has worked in any tribal area of Odisha. So this is the essential qualification, and the sum or the amount you will be payable is rupees 31,000, and for a tenure of 18 months. And it is a temporary job as far as we can see. It is for 1 year and 6 months. And the job description is you'll have to do screening, data entry, analysis of data, and maintain all the databases of the project related to the dentistry, gynec sector of AIMS and PRM Baripota, all these healthcare things. So they are preferring biology for it, and field worker there are number of posts at 2, and the essential qualification is 12th pass in science or equivalent with a 3 years experience in related fields from government institution or recognized institution. And if you don't have 3 years experience, so plus 12th plus BSc shall be treated as 3 years experience, but the required experience must be that they should have worked on any health related project of for minimum 2 years, and the monthly payable is rupees 18,000 for a tenure of 18 months. And what are the job work you have to do under field worker? You have to go for screening camp and conduction of FGD, means certain type of screening and dispatcher of sample to AIMS, and maintain all the databases of the project online and offline. Matlab you have to have certain computer knowledge. From this criteria we came to know. And then third is lab technician by Ashi. The number of posts is 1. So for lab technician you have to be 12th pass in science subjects with at least 2 years diploma in MLT or 1 year DMLT course and 1 year required experience in recognized organization, or 2 years laboratory experience in lab experience in government recognized institution. BSc shall be considered as a 3 years experience. And here one more thing is there is no required experience in this field. So here the only 12th pass students with science with at least having MLT can go and apply themselves for this. And the tenure is for 18 months. And what is the job description you have to do? Collection of samples from the field, processing of samples, carrying them to laboratory, reporting, maintaining all the databases. मतलब तुमको sample collect करिबार अछि, तार databases सब maintain करियार अछि, online और offline से बन करि पारंती. So have computer knowledge पिला, so apply कर पारबे. Those you should have certain computer knowledge. तापर processing of sample केमती कोन processing हुए, जेमती कि हमर phlebotomy एवढा सब जानिबा दरकार. And data entry operator ପାଇଁ basic କିଛି ନାହିଁ, it is a 12th pass job from recognized board. A speed test of not less than 10,000 key repressions per hour. गोटे घंटारे 10,000 टा key repression जो speed test on computer तुमको certain लिखा ହେଇଥିବ computer रे, you have to complete that within single hour, जोटा कि 10,000 keys press ହେଇଥିବ ସେତିକି time ଭିତରେ. and the minimum 2 years experience in health related project ହେଇଥିବା ଦରକାର data entry operator, and monthly consolidated होची rupees 18,000 ୟାଙ୍କର ବି, and for a tenure of 18 months, which is also a temporary job. So all the job descriptions which I have given here is only for a temporary job. And the data entry operator has to do certain data entry, maintain all the databases of the project online and offline, maintaining all the registers, documents and financial and document related to project. And the interested candidate must send the soft copy to relevant documents. And email ID at the tribal/bhajna@aimsbhubaneswar.edu.in. Last date of the application was 15 December 2020. And please do not upload any other certificates or document other than the mentioned above. Jetiki se question, that is you have to give the soft copy of the relevant documents as a duly applicated form, application form jetiki mention ହେଇଥିବ. Then CV daba dakar and experience certificate, and date of interview they will call you if you are selected, or if they're interested to hire for this job. तो आपको जो इंटरेस्टेड अच्छे से मैंने नबारे then they will call you on 22nd December interview पाई, and no candidates whose name is not uploaded in the website are not allowed to go for the interview. So name of the post applied for and ଏତିକି ସବୁ criteria ରହୁଛି. have you मतलब application form ଟା ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ and terms and conditions भी देखी दियंतु. as far as terms and conditions होची एटा गोटे फंडेड प्रोजेक्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट मतलब एम्स जॉब मिल जिवो बोले एटा नाही, एटा गोटे प्रोजेक्ट अंडर काम मिलिबो जस्ट, and selected candidate have to visit different places of Odisha's Mayurbhanj. Then no TADA, research assistant, fieldwork lab technician must have good knowledge in computer. As I said before, computer भलो knowledge ହେଇଥିବା ଦରକାର. Maybe ट्रांको ट्राइबल एरियाज रे भी काम करे पड़ियो लाइक सुलियापड़ा, मोराड़ा, करंजिया एंड जासीपुर ब्लॉक ऑफ मयूरभंज डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ ओडिशा. एंड वेन्यू आपण देख पारबे टाइम होची 2 PM 22 तारीख रे एंड रिपोर्टिंग टाइम होची 10 AM. एंड फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ DO देयर विल बी स्किल